Hi to everyone. Today let us discuss one important model in the chapter quadratic polynomials. The problem is quadratic polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8 has zeros alpha comma beta. Now form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 by alpha and 2 by beta. Here alpha comma beta are the zeros of this polynomial. But we are they are asking to find out another quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 by alpha and 2 by beta. Actually, to find out a quadratic polynomial, what is the formula we have? K of x square minus x of alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. But here we need to find out a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 by alpha and 2 by beta. So the formula becomes K of x square minus x of 2 by alpha plus 2 by beta plus 2 by alpha into 2 by beta. But here we get one doubt. Alpha beta is not there. So let us find first alpha and beta. Because alpha comma beta are the zeros of this polynomial, by solving it, by using splitting the middle term method or formula, we find alpha and beta. Then we can substitute here. But we have the chance, without finding alpha beta also, we can find the polynomial. How? First to take the polynomial. Write A 1, B minus 2 because no coefficient means 1, C is equal to minus 8. First to find alpha plus beta, minus B by A minus of minus 2 by 1 which gives 2. Alpha into beta, C by A minus 8 by 1 minus 8. But here our formula is x square minus x of 2 by alpha plus 2 by beta plus 2 by alpha into 2 by beta. Now I need to find out 2 by alpha plus 2 by beta, 2 by alpha into 2 by beta because our polynomial zeros are 2 by alpha and 2 by beta. Let us find their sum also. 2 by alpha plus 2 by beta. Take 2 as a common. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. 2 of LCM alpha beta. Alpha divides alpha beta. Beta times beta 1s are beta. Beta divides LCM alpha times alpha 1s are alpha. ఎందుకంటే ఈ రెండు యొక్క ప్రొడక్టే LCM వస్తుంది. ఇక 2 of alpha plus beta, how much we got? 2 and alpha into beta minus 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. I got minus 1 by 2. Now let us multiply the zeros. 2 by alpha into 2 by beta. 2 2s are 4. Alpha into beta, alpha beta. What is alpha beta? We got minus 8. 4 by minus 8. 4 1s are 4 2s are minus 1 by 2. Now the required quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 by alpha and 2 by beta. Now the formula is K of x square minus x of sum of these two zeros 2 by alpha plus 2 by beta plus product of these two zeros 2 by alpha into 2 by beta. K of x square minus x of 2 by alpha plus 2 by beta we found here minus 1 by 2 plus 2 by alpha into 2 by beta also we found minus 1 by 2. Now x square plus minus into minus plus x into 1 by 2 x by 2. Here plus into minus minus 1 by 2. Now do LCM. K of, so 2 is the LCM because both are same. 1 divides 2 2 times 2 into x square 2x square. Here both are same, take x. Both are same, take 1. So what is the K? Any constant. To cancel this denominator you can take K is equal to 2. So 2 cancel. The required polynomial is 2x square plus x minus 1. So very important method. So without finding alpha beta we can find out the quadratic polynomial. Thank you.